Hi everyone, my name is Lennox Bennett and I'm going to do the mathematics paper from Trinidad and Tobago. Government of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, Ministry of Education, National Certificate of Secondary Education 2016, and this is level 1, mathematics paper 1. Alright, big up everyone, this is another Trinidad paper. Everybody knows me, I have love for Trinidad. Alright, love for the entire Caribbean. But I just think that them do them thing a little bit different. I respect how them do them. You know what I mean? The paper's just real. So I'm kind of drawn to them. So I'm going to be doing another paper. This was in 2016. I don't know the significance of this when it's a level 1. So somebody in the comment section probably can just type that in for me. Alright, we're going to get right into the paper right now. Yeah. Alright, so it's another level 1 paper. Alright, let's get right into it, guys. Like the video before we even start, peeps. It's gonna be good. Alright, so let's get the ball rolling. Number 1 says simplify 9p minus 5q minus 4p plus 2q. Again, guys, remember you're encouraged to try the questions. Alright, so type your answer in the comment section. Again, big up, enough love from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago. Island of the Chicken Curry, or is it Guyana? Alright, so we're gonna group the like terms. So this along with the sign in front of it. So this goes. I kinda see the answer already. Because only one of them have 5p. So still just gonna work it out, alright? So this will give us 5p minus 3q. Since the 5 is bigger, take the negative, so that would be t. So why am I at number 9 though? People start at number 9. What kind of madness is this? Anyway, let me just work. I don't see from number 1, guys. Because I don't go through the paper, I didn't realize, you know. I was going to say, oh, region 9. Alright, this one says factorize 16x squared minus 25y squared. So this is a factorization. So we're just going to simply find the square root of 16x squared. What did we multiply? Give us 16x squared. So it's a difference of 2 squared. Same thing with 25y squared. Find the square root, right? So the square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x is x. And likewise, so we have 1 on either side. Difference of 2 squared. This is 25. So we can put plus 5. Square root of 25 is 5. And 1 and minus. I did a video on this where I just did all of these for probably 10 years or so. So you guys can definitely go and check that out. I don't know why it started at number, but you know, you'll see. Oh, here we go. So that's B. Number 11, now 5a plus 3 multiplied by, so that's an expansion. So we're going to expand the bracket. So it's 5a plus 3. Hit the like button, guys, if you're just joining. You have not missed much. The paper actually started at 9, and I didn't realize because I did not go to the paper. It's one of the things I probably need to slow down a bit, but guys, it's so rough on me sometimes. So you have 5 times 2, so it's 5a. We rewrite it, so it's 5a times 2a minus 1. And then we multiply by this 3 right here. So it's 3 times all of this. So that will be 2a minus 1. So we multiply 5 times 2, that's 10. A times a will give us a squared. So we have 5 times this, that's give us a negative, a positive times a negative. And then now we have 3 times 2a. So 3 times 2, that is 6a. And then we have 3 times negative 1, that gives us negative 3. So let's focus on this, which gives us positive a. So I think, alright, so here we go, 10a squared plus a Alright, let me just finish it for those who might not see clearly. And then we have the minus 3. Only the middle term will change because it's the only like term. Alright, let's move on to the number 12. A ball costs $2 and a bat. I'm write that because just write down the information, right? So ball, why do I have to use 2B? So that's $2 for a ball and bat $5. And now it says, what is the cost of X ball? Okay, so that would be X times 2. So ball would be 2X and 3Y bats. So that's 3 times 5 plus 3 times 5. So basically, well, y for the year, so what's in the matter? So it will be 2x plus a multiplication. 2x plus 15y. Alright, so that will be D. Let's move on to 13. The scores obtained by 7 students on a mathematics test are 6, 2, 7, 10, 8, 3, and 4. What is the median score? So in order to find the median, we arrange it in ascending order. So first we have 2 at the front. Next number, we have 3. Why somebody come from private number? I'm not gonna take that. I'm a very public person. I don't understand why they calling me on a private number. Alright, so we have next one, 6. You have to be careful with these, guys, because I think it's 6. Let me just set it out. 7, 8, and 10. So that means it's gonna be 6, 3 this way, 3 this way, so it's 6. What? Median is 6. Alright, so let's move on to number 14. Guys, remember you're encouraged to try the questions. So just in case I make any error, you guys can pick it up. Leave it in the comment section. Alright, we're all humans. A bag contains 3 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 6 yellow marbles. Calculate the probability that a marble chosen at random is yellow. So first, we need the total. So we're going to add all of these. So that's 3 and 5, 8, and 6. That's so like about 14. 3 and 5, 8, and 6, 14. Alright, so the total number of yellow marbles is 6. So that's 6 over 14. It's not there because you can break it down. Alright, so we divide both by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 and 2. So that's 3 over 7. So the probability of choosing a yellow marble is 3 out of 7. Question 15 and 16 are based on information presented in the table below. And then we have the number of students, they have the age, blah, blah, blah. The table above shows the ages of students at a school. What is the modal age of the students at this school? And that would be looking for the highest number, which is this. So it's 11, age 11. It means that 50 students are at age 11, 20 students at age 12, 40 students at age 13, and so on. So the answer is not 50, but 11. Alright, so very nice question. They try to trick you guys there. Alright, but Mr. Vedic not having that. How many students are in the school? I'm going to go with a big number. So 50, 70, 50 plus this, 70, 110, 110 plus 70, 180. Can I do that freestyle? Didn't matter to? Yeah. Alright, so let's move on to number. What? The paper is crazy. Guys, you just had it. You just had it. The paper is so crazy. Oh God. What is the perimeter in centimeter of the above shape? Alright, so let us reason it out. This is 10, this is 3, this is 7. Alright, if from here to here is 2 and all of it is 10, it means that it's supposed to be 8. Let me try to figure out the measurement here. All of from here to here is 7. And from here to here is 3, so that means how much more you want? A 4. Alright, so let's find the perimeter now. 10 plus 7, 17 plus that 19, so it's 19 plus 4 and 8, 12, and 3, 15. So that's 9 and 4, 9 and 5, 14, that's 34. So the perimeter is 34, and it means the total distance around. Something wrong with the paper though, guys. Express 94 kilograms in gram. Now it takes 1,000 grams to make 1 kilogram, or we can say 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams. So therefore, if 94 kilograms, that would be 94 times 1,000, so that's 94 times 1,000, which gives us 94,000. Because for every 1 kilogram, you're gonna get 1,000, right? So it's a very nice question. You go for that Trinidad and Tobago again. How many square tiles? What? Oh, how many square tiles of side 50 centimeter will be used? Okay, so 50 will be used to completely cover a rectangular floor with length 900 centimeter and width 600. So guys, oh Lord, so 6 nines are 54. Alright, so we are trying to figure out the total. So the product, I think we should add an extra 0 because it's gonna be 0, 0, 0. But I think it's gonna be 2, 0 for the total. So we are trying to figure out the area for this one, which is 600 by 900. That should be 540,000. I think we need 2 more zeros since we're gonna say like, no, I think I have an X about 1 and a 0. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So alright. So that is that. And then now we are gonna get 50 times 50. This is tough though, I think. That's 0 and then 5, 5, 25. So that's a 2,500. Alright, so now we try to see if we can pick off some of the 0 there. Still rough, still rough, it's still rough, it's still rough. So we have 5,400 divided by 25. Alright, let's see if we can figure out. In 100, how many hundred na this? How many hundred na this? Which is 54, right? So you have 5400 in it. And in every 100, you have 4. You have 425. So I'll just say times 4, and that should give us 25. How many 25 in 100? 4, right? Hope everybody's seeing the reason. So if I multiply this by 4, it should give me the answer. Hope everybody see that the reason I'm trying to say. 4, 4, 16, 6 carry 1, 4, 5, 20, and that 21. That's 216. I almost forget that it was a multiple choice. Right. Oh my word. Very, very tough question, I think. In terms of time, it take up a lot of time, man. Alright, so we just have the question them guys because I think the paper messed up in terms of something. The volume of a cylinder shown below in the diagram. Oh, the volume is 3 liters. The area of its base is 50 centimeters square. Calculate the height. Alright, so we know say we need to convert. First of all, I'm gonna convert this to cm. That's a two different measurement angle, right? So see what we can see. So volume equal to area of the base, which is 50 times a number, and that give basically 3000. Let us put 3000. That's already that. So let's divide this by 50. And that is 60. So that is 60 cm. Hope everybody get the reasoning behind that, right? We convert the liter to cm3, which is work out to 3000, right? All right, a drinking glass can hold 250 cm3 of liquid. How many drinking glass can be filled from a jug containing 2 liters? Same type of question, right? So 2 liters would be 2 times 1000, which is 2000 cm3. So we just divide the 2000 by the 250. This cancel this into this 1, and this into this 8. So that would be 8. Very tough. Not tough, but very nice question. Different measurement. Calculate the perimeter in meters of the sector in the diagram above. Now the radius is, we have to work it out. This is a very interesting question. If a perimeter, we need this and we need this. So this is 10 also. And then you have 2 pi r. So I will go with this. Right? As we need to find the curve part, to find the curve part, it's the angle over 360 times 2 pi r. So I will go with this. And then we need to add the 10 and the 10, which gives us 20. But I like the question. I don't have a problem with that. One thing about Trinidad people, they are very clear. I like that. Jamaica can learn from that. Sometimes when I'm doing the PEP questions, the interpretation, because the way they phrase it makes it, it's like they leave a little leeway for misinterpretation. I think that what they asked should be clear. That's my thing. It should be clear so each person can understand what they're asking. It shouldn't be a two-way thing. So if you misinterpret it, then you get it wrong. When you can do the concept. Check for the concept, not the... Alright, you guys get the idea. In the above diagram, calculate the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall of the... In the above diagram, calculate the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Alright, so this one looks like Pythagoras theorem. So it's 10 square. Very nice question, though. You see how I'm set it up nice? This is what the kids need. So it will be 100. They put a real letter there. That's so awesome. Big up Trinidad and Tobago. No flow from Jamaica, man. Alright, so this would be 36, and then to find the square root, which works out to 6. This is a triplet. So if you're an exam and you see this, just go right ahead. You have the 3, 4, 5, you have the 6, 8, 10, you have the 12, 13, 12, 13, 5, and so on. 25, 24, 7. There are more. Alright, as I say, guys, the number don't matter because we just do maths. In the diagram above, which of the following are most likely to be the coordinate of the y-intercept? Y-intercept. So what we know about the y-intercept is that it's a line where x is 0. So that's one thing we know, that x is going to be 0 on this line. So already we know that it's going to be some 0. And it's above the origin, so that means it's going to be positive. So it can only be 0, 4, which leaves us with A. Very nice question, man. Big up yourself, Trinidad. If B is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and H is equal to honey, what is what is V union H? Now look, they say union, so we're gonna combine all of them. Alright, so let's go with the commons one first. So what common? No, not common. So we have E, but E, we're just gonna write E once, even though it did it twice, right? Because a union here, it says A, E, E should come next. So it's gonna be this. It's gonna be C, all the elements, alright? So we're not gonna draw it out too much, it's all the elements. And I see the H, see the I, see the Y, and the O and all of that. This one don't have the O. So that means it's gonna be C, 34 is C. I think the paper has ended, but it's not if all the questions were on the original paper. So some of the questions were taken out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. If P is equal to prime number less than 10, what are the members of set P? What are the numbers, prime numbers less than 10? Prime numbers. So we know so prime number 2, 3, 5, and 7. 9 is not a prime number. Alright. The set of even numbers which can be divided by 3. That's a null. Oh my god, I didn't see that. Even. No even number can divide it by 3. Oh my god, without leaving a remainder. If m is equal to mat, how many subsets of m there are? We can literally list them out, or we can just say formula is 2 raised to the number of elements, which is 1, 2, 3. It works out to 8. So in exam, when you get such a little something, remember the formula, you could literally say m form a set, A form a set, T form a set, AM form a set, AT form a set. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have, which one let me solve? Oh, MT. That form an set, and then you have MAT. So now you got, yeah, and then you have the empty set. So that's the 8 of them. So it's 8. So you can literally list them out. But it's good to know the formula, right? Yeah. U is equal to that. In the diagram above, what is the shaded region? Is it P? Is it pi? Is it P prime, Q prime, P intersect U prime, or P union Q? So as you can see, a part of Q is in it, right? So that would be D. I think we have come to the end abruptly. Yeah. Oh Lord, it's such a nice paper. Thank you, Trinidad and Tobago. For those of you who are my number, here's my number. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel right now before we go. Alright, see my number here. You can contact me at any time on WhatsApp, and my name is Lennox Bennett. Thank you for watching my mathematics video. Big up from Trinidad and Tobago. Much love to you all, alright? So guys, we're going to end here. Sorry, we didn't get to see all of the questions, but very nice people nevertheless. I'm out. See you guys in another video.